Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am gonna discuss about what is transpose of a matrix. If A is any matrix of order m cross n, then by interchanging its rows and column, we obtain the transpose of the matrix. That is, if A is a matrix of order m cross n whose entries are like Aij, then A transpose or A dash will be equal to a submatrix B, which will be equal to a matrix of order n cross m whose entries are like Bij, where Vij is equal to Aj for all ij. So it means the rows of the matrix will become the column of the matrix, or column of the matrix will become the rows of the matrix. Now see this example. A is a matrix of order 2 by 3, then its transpose will be a matrix of 3 by 2. Some properties of transpose of a matrix. If K is any number, then transpose of K will be equal to K into A transpose. A is a matrix. Now A is some matrix of order m cross n whose entries are like Aij, and K is some matrix whose order is m cross n whose entries are like Kij. Now transpose of Ka will be equal to some matrix of order n cross m whose entries are like Kaj, which will be equal to K into some matrix of order n cross m whose entries are like Aj. So it will be equal to K into A dash. So it means if we have to find the transpose of K into A, then we can find transpose of A dash and then multiply the whole matrix by K. If A and B are conformable for addition, then transpose of A plus B will be equal to transpose of A plus transpose of B matrix. Now A plus B is some matrix of order m cross n whose entries are like Aij plus Bij. Now transpose of A plus B will be equal to some matrix n cross m whose entries are like Aj plus Bji, which will be equal to transpose of A matrix plus transpose of B matrix. So it means if we have to find the transpose of the sum of the two matrices, then we can also find it by finding transpose of the first matrix and then finding transpose of the second matrix and then simply adding this thing. Now go for the third property. If AB exists, then transpose of AB will be equal to transpose of B matrix into transpose of A matrix, which will be called as reversal law of transpose operation. Now go for the proof thing. Here A is some matrix of order m cross n whose entries are like Aij, and B is some matrix of order n cross p whose entries are like Bjk. Now AB will be equal to some matrix whose order is m cross p whose entries are like summation over j from 1 to n Aij Bjk, and transpose of AB will be equal to some matrix of order p cross m whose entries are like summation over j from 1 to n bkj aji, which will be equal to transpose of B matrix into transpose of A matrix. It means if we have to find the transpose of the product of two matrices, then it will be equal to transpose of the second matrix into transpose of the first matrix. Now fourth property says that if A is any square matrix and m is any natural number, then transpose of A raised to the power m will be equal to transpose of A matrix raised to the power m. Now go for the proof thing. LHS is transpose of A raised to the power m, which is transpose of A into up to m times, which will be equal to transpose of A matrix up to m times, which can be written as transpose of A matrix raised to the power m. So then we can easily find the transpose of A matrix first and then giving that m power to the transpose of that matrix. Thanks for watching my video. If you have liked my work, then do subscribe and like my video.